How to make some extra cash on Airbnb. In this video, I'm going to share with you the 5 simple steps on how you can start to earn a little bit of extra cash from Airbnb. So on this video, I'm going to share how you might be able to monetize a property or space that you have. It could be a room in your own property, or perhaps it could be a property that you have access to. Maybe you have a extra property. Sounds crazy, but you'll be surprised. Maybe your family members have got an empty property. You know, maybe you've recently inherited a property that's just sat there, or perhaps you've got a buy-to-let or investment property that you're not happy with the performance. So here's what you do. Number 1, you need to prepare the property. And in Airbnb, you want to think of it like a hotel without staff. So you want to provide bed-ins, towels, all the basic amenities in the kitchen so that somebody can just come with their suitcase and they can have a lovely time. The second step is you want to then do a photo shoot. That's right. Take some amazing photos showcasing your property so that it's going to sell once you pop it on the online platform. Now, top tips here. Ideally, you don't want to be using your phone. You want to try and get a wide lens camera, or, hire a professional photographer to come around for an hour. Only costs 100 or 200 quid. And trust me, it will pay dividends. Number 3, it's time to now create your listing. Really, really simple to do. Just head over to Airbnb, create an account if you've not already got one, create a listing. They will help you with the pricing. They will help you with the basic descriptions of exactly what you need to include. And then also what you can actually do on this, which is a great tip, is start off using their smart pricing so they can tell you how much you could charge for a similar property. But top tip here, I would turn instant book off until you're used to things so that people have to request to book your place and they can't just go ahead and do it with a click of their mouse. Number 4, it's time to take your first booking. So get ready to welcome your guests. Make sure you've got the check-in process as smooth as possible and do a fantastic job. Be a great host so you can get the best reviews and get more bookings and charge more money and make more money in turn. And last but not least, you will want to now optimize your listing or your property. So this means, how can you make it so it doesn't require you to let the guests in? It doesn't require you to be there. So a few ways of doing this is to set up automated messages. So when somebody books, they just get a sequence of automatic messages. Get yourself a self check-in and get yourself a house manual so that when people come to use the house or the room, whatever you go for, that they have a step-by-step guide and they're not bothering you mid-stay. So let me know in the comments if you go ahead and do this. Have you got a space where you can generate a little bit of extra income? Because it can be so easy to earn an extra $1,000 a month on Airbnb, and it can really, really help you during this tough time. Good luck.